Hello, students of 6th class. This is Shruti. Today I'll teach you your chapter 3rd of history. Your chapter is From Gathering to Growing Food. This is very important chapter and this is part 2 video. Okay, let's start your chapter from new topic. Now the new topic is finding out about the first farmer and herders. This topic is about the map too. Okay, where you will find some marks or sites from where archaeologists have found evidence of earliest farmer and herders. Okay, let's know where they found some plant, grain and animals bones. Okay, scientists can identify these grains and so we know that the number of crop were grown in different parts of the subcontinent. They can also identify the bones of different animals. Okay, let's know about grain and bones. Okay, and some sites. Okay, first you will find here wheat, barley, sheep, goat, cattle. Okay, and this sites it Mehergarh in present day in Pakistan. You will find there Mehergarh. Okay, now the second is rice, fragmentary animal bones. Okay, Koldilwa in present day Uttar Pradesh. Rice cattle hoof marks on clay surface of its sides is Mahagara in present day UP also. Next, wheat and lentil. Okay, Gafalkar. What is it? You can pronounce some other term in present day Kashmir. Okay, you can say that Kashmir. Okay, wheat and the lentil, dog, cattle, sheep, goat, buffalo, Burzahom. In present day Kashmir also. Okay, now the next is you will find wheat, green gram, barley, buffalo oaks. Okay, I'm talking about bones and grain. Okay, Cheran in present day Bihar. Next is millet, cattle, sheep, goat, pig, Halur. Okay, in present day Andhra Pradesh. Next is black gram, millet, cattle, sheep, pig, Payampalli in present day Andhra Pradesh. Okay, Payampalli. Okay, these are just some of the sites from which grains and bones have been found. Okay, you will find some bones and grains. Okay, and you got that some sites. Okay, you have to learn minimum 5 sites and where you can find grain and bones. Okay, now the new topic is towards a settled life. Okay, this topic is about the settled life. Okay, now you have to know that what is settled life. Settled life where you have a house. Okay, where you have a house. Okay, now their archaeologists have found some huts or houses at some sites. Okay, there is an example Burzahom. Okay, at this time Kashmir. Okay, there people built some pit houses. Okay, pit houses which were dug into the ground. Okay, you can dug into the ground is called the pit houses with step leading into them. Okay, is called pit houses. Okay, and archaeologists also found some cooking huts both inside and outside the huts, which suggests that depending on the weather people could cook food either indoor or outside. Also, you should draw some pit houses. You can also draw yourself. Okay, now the new term you will find here, Neolithic. Okay, I'm talking about some keywords. Okay, what is some keywords. Okay, that is the keyword. Okay, Neolithic. Neolithic, what is Neolithic? Many of these are the different from the earlier Paleolithic tools, and that is why they are called Neolithic. Okay, that is called Neolithic. In the Neolithic tools you will find some fine cutting edges. Okay, in the Neolithic tools. Okay, these are the Neolithic tools. You will find some extra and beautify with some edges like this. Okay, now the people started new things. Okay, there is an example of pot. Okay, people began using pot. Okay, they were using pot for storing food. Okay, storing food as well as, okay, for cooking food also. Okay, for cooking food like rice, wheat. There is so many examples of especially grain like rice, wheat, lentils that now begin an important part of the diet. Okay, they can store all these things and they can cook in these pot. That's why they were using pots. Okay, now in gathering they started some new things. People adopted farming and herding slowly over several thousands years. Besides, in some cases, people try to combine these activities during different things during different seasons also. Okay, now the new topic is, what about other customer and practices? New group have emerged there. You will find here, what was it? Tribes. Okay, in this group two things are very important: farmers and herders. Okay, farmers and herders both are the important who practices simple agriculture. They have also studied the life of herders. Many of these farmers and herders live in groups called tribes. Okay, they follow their own culture and practices that may have accessed earliest as well as. Now tell me the occupations of tribes. Okay, that means what was the occupations of tribals on that time. Okay, that means occupations would be gathering, okay, farming, fishing, herding, hunting. Okay, all these occupations are very different and very sufficient for them. Okay, for their lifestyle. Okay, for livelihood. Okay, now the new topic is a closer look living and dying in Mehergarh. Okay, Mehergarh in the sense it is a village. It is a village. Okay, and in this village people was engaged in production. Okay, engaged in production because there is very fertile plain. Okay, they are located in a fertile plain. Okay, what is Mehergarh? Okay, in this village men and women learn to grow barley and wheat and rear sheep and goats for the first time in this area. Okay, many kind of animal bones from the earliest level you will find here. Okay, These includes bone of wild animals such as the deer and pig. Okay. In Mehergarh you will find square shaped houses. These square shaped houses was very famous in Mehergarh. Okay. And each houses had 4 compartments. Okay. 4 compartments like this. Okay. Which may use for storage. Storage in the sense food storage. Okay. You can store food in all these kinds of compartment. Okay. Several burial sites have been found at Mehergarh. In one instance, you will see here the dead person was buried with the goat, which were probably meat to serve as food in the next world. Okay. You can see this picture of skeleton. Okay. You have to identify the skeleton or burial from the Mehergarh. Can you identify the skeleton of goats? Okay. This is the skeleton of goat. Now the new topic is a closer look. Dowsally Harding. Dowsally Harding you will find on map 2. This is the site. Okay. And you will find near the Brahmaputra Valley. Okay. Here you can find a stone tool including mortar pestles have been found. Okay. On the other, find include jadeyard, a stone that may have been brought from China. Also common are find of tool made of fossil wood. Okay, and pottery. Now you have to understand what is fossil wood. Okay, what is fossil wood? Fossil wood is an ancient wood that has hardened into stone. Okay, fossil wood is a keyword you have to take it, remember. Okay, now your chapter has done. Now you have to try to solve your exercises questions. Okay, your exercises questions are very important. Okay, stay home, stay safe, take care.